Hi everyone, welcome to my Mexican kitchen here in Switzerland. Today's recipe is very simple, very easy, and it's especially good for those of you who like baking or preparing different types of coffee. It's how to make homemade vanilla extract, which I hope you enjoy. The ingredients you need to prepare your vanilla extract are 750 milliliters of vodka and 9 vanilla beans. Okay, so first we have to make a cut on our vanilla beans. We're going to make a cut lengthwise. Don't cut it into 2 pieces. It's just a slight slit in there so that the seeds of the bean pod are exposed. And you're going to put all the beans in your bottle. Once they're in there, we're going to pour in our vodka. We're going to use a funnel to help not make a mess. And once you're done, you can just close the bottle and you're finished. Okay, so you saw this is so easy to make. One thing is, many people buy the store-bought one. It's cheaper usually because vanilla is quite an expensive spice. From what the research that I did, I think it's the second most expensive spice in the world. It's quite hard to grow vanilla beans, so that's the reason. But it's quite nice to make your own things, which is the reason we like making our own vanilla extract. The next step, once you've done this, is every week you're going to give it a shake and you're going to store it in a nice dark place, so it can be in your cupboard or anywhere that's dark. As of 1 month you can use it. It'll have already a nice vanilla flavor. But the longer you let it rest, the more intense and the darker the extract is going to be, so that's much nicer. In my opinion, it's nicer to let it rest 12 months, really age it. Like that you'll have a super good vanilla extract. But other than that, as of 1 month, if you really urgently need it, you can use it. And well, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and see you next time. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please watch the other videos. Just click on the links and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.